Good morning, my dear students. It's so nice to be back after your examination. So, we are going to start with term 2. And in term 2, first of all, I'm going to start with the book Hornbill. We're coming back to the book Hornbill. And I'm going to start with the poem The Laburnum Top by Ted Hughes. It's a very interesting and nice poem. And you will really enjoy reading this poem. Today, I'm just going to give you the introduction of the poem, a small introduction of the poem, The Laburnum Top. Now, what is laburnum? First of all, it should be very much clear to you that laburnum means a tree, a short tree with hanging branches, flowers and poisonous seeds. So, laburnum is basically a tree which has branches which are hanging. It is a short tree with flowers and with poisonous trees. Now in this poem, the poet tells us about the relationship of this tree with a bird whose name is goldfinch. So he's telling us about the relationship between this tree, laburnum, and this bird, goldfinch. So basically, he tells us that because its seeds are poisonous, and it stands quietly the whole day until this goldfinch comes to this tree. So after this goldfinch comes and sits on this tree, because the goldfinch's nest is there on this tree, and she comes to this tree to feed her babies in the nest, this tree also comes back to life, because obviously when the babies of goldfinch, they see that their mother have got food for them after a long day of struggle, they start chirping, they start twittering. So similarly, the tree also starts trembling and starts moving. It brings life back to the tree. So this shows the power of love between the tree laburnum and between this bird goldfinch. So see, there's a good relationship between both of them. And then the poet tells us in the last stanza that once goldfinch has fed her babies with the food which she had bought, she again flies back to infinity. What do you mean by infinity here? To the sky, because sky is infinite. So she flies back to the infinite, and again the same tree which was full of life and movement, again it comes back to stillness. So basically this poem tells us that how in a person's life also sometimes because of love there is a sudden change in the attitude. Sometimes you people are sitting sad, but suddenly something happens. Some loved ones come to your house to meet you. You suddenly get excited and you start moving here and there. So what is that? That is power of love. So power of love is so much that even a still blank thing can start moving with the power of love. So this is what the poet wants to convey through this poem, The Laburnum Top by Ted Hughes. So this is what the introduction of the poem is. And this is all for today. Tomorrow I am going to read line by line of this poem, and we are going to discuss the meaning of each and every word of this poem. So till then, keep practicing and keep learning. Thank you and have a nice day.